So I thought it's time to film a little bit. So there's the wires coming down from the shower, and that's to kitchen. The couple of sockets and so here I connect the main wire. It goes to that fuse box. Well, the only thing I hope I'm doing it right. If I'm doing it wrong, I'm in trouble. All that needs to be connected. And then got this ground wire. So it goes inside the house, and then it will get somewhere here next to this wire under the ground, and I will connect it here. So that's running water. Yay! Right, and soon we'll have hot water. Once I do the old electricity, this is connected, and that's what I'm going to do next. So that's the water heater. It will be connected to one of those switches. Let's rock and roll. That's what I've done. One bit missing. So there'll be wire from there to each one. Nice fuse box. Hopefully it will work. If not, I'm in trouble. Okay. Now here comes the moment of truth. So last night I connect this fuse box over here. If anyone sees any flaws, let me know. Oh yeah, there's one bit missing. So is this one here missing? It's gonna be something like that. Yeah, I'll need 2 hands to put it on. So that's how I done it. That's how I imagine it. Not sure, is it the right way, wrong way? We'll see it as we go. Okay, and that's what I've done here. That's the main fuse box. So that wire there, it comes from the main fuse box and it goes down here. Then here it goes into 4 places. So you go outside, it goes into that side of the house. This one here, it goes to the other side of the house. And this one goes to the kitchen, to that main fuse box. So everything is off now. Let's turn it on and go one by one. I hope I've done everything right and it will be working. All good so far. Son? Let's turn on one of these. So, let's try this one. Yoo-hoo! We got light. Right, the second bit is outside. So This one is outside. Should be no problem. And the main switch now, the kitchen. It's on. So now there's a lot of cables without the ending. So they're not connected yet. But I can check the socket here. I can check this heater. So that's going to be one of the first things that I'm going to check. So I turn on a couple of switches and see how it works. Okay. Okay, and now I need to connect this one, which is second. How should I know it works or not? Okay, let's try to turn on hot water. Yoo-hoo! Still cold. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah! We got warm water running. Okay. That's it, it's off. Let's try the third mode, should be the hottest. Okay. It's not working. Let's check. Everything is alright here. Water is running. Fuse box is right over there. So that should be that socket there. Let's try this drill. Nope. Don't work. That should be water pump. And that should be socket for outside switch system. Let's check them out. Okay. Let's see. Don't work. Okay. Let's see where is the problem. So here's everything is alright. Do we still got light? No. No, we don't. No, it's on. Where is the problem then? Okay. There's something wrong somewhere. Right, so I figured out what's wrong. You see everything is working now again. So the reason is one of these switches. So this switch here is a 16 amps and it needs to be replaced because it's too weak. So I'll replace it with the 25 amps. Let's check out our sewage tanks. Ew. Nice. Dig a trench all the way down here. See this? There's a trench. And cover the wire. I'm gonna attach this wire to this bit, then put them together and simply hammer it down. That's the way I'm gonna do it. Leave a comment, is it the right way to do it or is it the wrong way to do it, and reason why would be appreciated. So I find the reason why it didn't work properly. So that was, this switch is for the old house and I replaced it from 16 amps to 25 amps. So now if there is overload, it will switch off here. So I turn it on, that's the heater. And you see it's on the third position. So up and running. Yep, here we go. But you see the switch is turned off here. So I will need even more powerful switch over here to make sure that it works properly. I'll need to read the manual book to see how many amps it needs to be. But I think it should be about 25 amps as well. So before that, I will need to do one more thing. I will need to replace the wire from the fuse box into a house. This fuse box to my next fuse box. So, because I thought one day I will need to replace the old wire from there under the ground to our house. But what I found out today, that we got 3-phase and the wire that comes from that fuse box here is really nice and thick wire, which is 3-phase wire. And then very thin wire, which you can see here, that blue one is the same, that brown exactly the same size. It goes into our house. So literally that white wire here. And that's what I need to replace to make sure that everything is safe. This wire is a bit too thin for the load that we got in our house. So I'll need to replace that with a thick wire all the way down there. Finally all done. It's there. What I'm going to do, I'll replace this cable here. See this cable? It goes underneath, all the way there. Go right through the holders off. And it goes all the way down there into my first fuse box. So first I'm going to turn off electricity everywhere. That's it. It should be off. It's off here. And it should be off here as well. Yep. And I'm ready to do some work now. So here we got new wire. That just needs to connect over here. The blue one goes here. This one does not go anywhere. And the brown one, you need to get here. But that's it, all done. Finally done it. You see there's still stripes to cut. Those stripes need to be cut. Put new, stronger 32 amps switch. See, there's the ground. It should be connected there. I'm just gonna leave it because I make my own one. It's on. It's okay here. It's working. It's fine. Let's check inside the house. Yeah, the light is on. So I'm just gonna go now, close the box and come back. That's it.
Thanks for watching.